Hello everyone, Tech Reviews back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about a Miracast not working in Windows computer. So to fix this problem, we are going to use three solutions, and this solution will work on all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11 or other. So let's start from solution number one. The solution will be check network sharing under your control panel. To do that, click here the search icon and type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open it. And after the control panel open, the category should have to be like this. If they are not, click here view by here and select here category. Then it will be like this, and select here network and internet. Then after that, you will find here network and sharing center, then select that. And here you will find change advanced sharing setting. So open that, and here under change sharing options for different network profile, and you will find under guest or public current profile, make sure turn on network discovery, which is the network discovery. Make sure it would be turned on network discovery. And file and printer sharing, again turn it on. Then click here save changes. Then all the changes are saved. Then close the network and sharing center. And if this solution is not working for you, then the second solution will be, again click here the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager, then open it. And under the device manager, you will find here network adapter. So click here the arrow. Then after that, you will find different drivers, mini port or other. In my case, it's Realtek. In your case, it would be different drivers. So select that specific driver, right click on it and select update driver. Then after that, click on the second option, browse my computer for driver. Then here click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you will find different drivers based on the time. In my case, here I found a driver from 2017, 2017 again, and 2021. This one is the recent one. So I'm going to select the recent one, and I'm going to click here next, and it starts installing the driver. So wait patiently until the installation would be completed. And here Windows has successfully updated your driver. Then after that, close this and close your device manager, and again restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is still occurring, then the third solution will be find your Windows firewall and turn on some functions. So click here the search icon and type here Windows firewall. So here the Windows Defender firewall, then select on that, and you will find here on the left side of that allow and for features through Windows Defender firewall. So select that option and find for here cast to device functionality. Both the private and public sections are ticked. If they are not ticked, click here change settings. Then after that, make sure it's checked. If it is like this, then check it, then click here OK. Then close your Windows Defender firewall. So these are the solutions to solve a Miracast not working in Windows. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.